مرحبا. Now we will see how to read the words with vowel, or how to read the letters with vowels. We call them short sounds. Let's see. In our previous video, we talked about the 28 Arabic letters and we read them all. And we said we must read it as a sound. Now, I will try with you this letter. I have the letter B. When we see it with short sounds, we see it with these vowels. Now, how to read the letter with the vowel? It's the same thing. The letter will stay the same. The sound of the letter will stay the same. The only thing that will change is how to pronounce it with the vowel. So, for example, this is letter Ba with Fatha. This vowel or short sound, we call it Fatha. When it's on the top, so we have to open our mouth like this to read the letter. So letter B, it will be Ba. Ba. For this one, we call it Damma. The short sound, Damma. We must do our mouth in this way and pronounce it. Boo. Boo. For this one, it is Kasra. We should do our mouth in this way and read it. B. B. Let's do another example. The letter Sa. It's the same thing. Now let's read it with Fatha. We start with S. Sa. Let's read it with Damma. Su. Su. With Kasra. Si. Si. Let's try letter F. With Fatha. Fa. With Damma. Fu. With Kasra. Fi. This letter A has one thing different than the other letters. When we see it with Fatha on top, it's the same thing. The vowel will come on top. With Damma, it's the same. The vowel will come on top. Only with Kasra, the Hamza, this one we call it Hamza, it goes under the letter. So whenever we see it under the letter, then this is Kasra sound. Let's read it with the same rule. A. U. E. What about if we see the letter in the small shape, as we see it in the words? It's the same thing. This is letter M. This is the forming one. This is the letter we see when we form a word. This is the same letter. Let's read it. Ma. Mu. Mi. Now we will try to read a word using the same technique. I have 3 letters. Q, D, R. I will form them in a word. This is Q. This is the baby Q. This is D. And this is R. Q, D, and R. But it has a vowel. Let's read it together. Q, Q, Da, Da, Ru, Ru. Qadaru. Qadaru. This is a word. Qadaru. Let's try one more. J, M, L. We will form them in a word. j, m, and l with vowels on top. Remember, what is the vowel here? Damma, how we read it with j. Ju, ju. How we read it with fatha? Ma, ma. And this is letter L. How we read it with Damma? Lu, lu. Ju, ma, lu. Jumalu. This is a word. I hope this was useful for you. شكرا ومع السلامة.